Want to stop TikTok from crashing on your device? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. The first thing you want to do is clear the app cache. For that, launch open the settings, then tap on apps. Now you can find all of your applications here. Find TikTok and tap on that. Now select storage, then tap on clear cache. Once that is done, next step is to update the TikTok app. For that, launch open Play Store, search TikTok, and if you find the update option, tap on that. The latest version often includes bug fixes that prevent crashes. Now you want to check your internet connection, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or toggle on the airplane mode. After a couple of seconds, turn off airplane mode. This should reset your network. Now reopen the app and check if you're still facing the same issue. Next thing you want to do is free up system resources by closing background apps. For that, open up the app switcher and simply swipe up all of the applications. Now relaunch TikTok and check. Finally, you want to restart your phone, power it off. Now wait for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. And that should fix any glitches in the operating system. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.